I think it's really through SCF and the friends I met at SCF that I actually get to know God.
It's done. I'll be loving you. Don't for a moment think
The community that has come out of it is more than anything I've ever felt.
I'll stop loving you. Oh, you've got me feeling so much deeper than before, and you've got me dreaming of the places we explore.
Just like seeing how God has just used my like little steps of just faith and just being obedient is amazing.
My heart can't expand.